What's up, YouTube? This is your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, Sweetie Squad, what is up, my lovies? Happy Saturday. Guys, your girl's been killing it in overtime lately, and I feel like I'm taking away from y'all. So I need to really get some videos out there for you guys, because you guys are my Sweetie Squad, and I love you guys so much. But yeah, if you're new to my YouTube channel, what's up? I'm your girl Samantha Sweets. Please make sure you hit that subscription button below, give it a click right here, bring a ding 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 that bell, turn your post notifications on. Why? Because I'm doing giveaways, baby. Back to back, boom, all of 2019. I have a giveaway going on right now. I'll be announcing the winners at the end of the month. 2 lucky winners will be winning Morphe palettes, so you're not gonna want to miss it. Alright, what I have for you guys right now is the Walmart box. It is considered the Walmart beauty box. I really am questionable about that because I haven't always received beauty. But I like this box because it is free. What did I say? Free! It's free. All you pay is $5 for your shipping. So, hey, I love that. Let's go ahead and get in. It is also not a monthly subscription. It is a seasonal. So let's see if I can get it right this time. We have spring, summer, fall, winter. Bam! I'm only 32 years old and I'm, you know, still working on that. No, I always say it like wrong, or I skip a season. Alright. I have no idea what's in this box. They never tell you. Kind of really never even know when you're going to get it, unless like you're constantly checking your emails to say, oh, your Walmart box shipped. You know what I mean? So here it is right here. We've been getting makeup bags in the last 2 months. They're really ugly makeup bags, but I give them to my goddaughter and she uses them for her little makeup collection. So if you get it, just give it away to a friend. Don't throw it away. All right. Let's get in. Am I seeing a repeat from last month? So it says, Hello Sunshine. And this is considered the summer box. We got the spring box last month, and I got a brow pomade, which I was very impressed by, but I think I got it again. I did. Are you kidding me? I mean, it's $5, but still. Cool. So I can give this to a lucky winner, because I haven't even tried this yet. So now I have 2 of these. So this is by the Salon Perfect, and this is the Sculpt Done in One Brow Pomade. I got this in last month's box for spring. I gave it to me in summer again. Okay, first dupe. Also, this does not tell you prices. Is that perfume? We got perfume, baby. Perfume. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's alright. You gave me a dupe. You gave me perfume. Also, you gave me this Try Me. It's 1, and it's by Bic Soleil Sensitive. This is kind of cool when you're traveling and stuff and everything. This isn't one of those like cheap ones. This is a good one. So honestly, I'll put this in my travel bag, and I will have this in case I forget a razor or something. That's kind of cool. Okay, I never even heard of that. All right. Yes. So I got a perfume. Unfortunately, it's not one that is like a spritzer. It's one of the ones that you have to take the top off. But I don't care. It's by Talia. I never even heard of that brand. But it's called Diamond Petals. And it's Diamond Petals speaks to the natural beauty that surrounds us. It's about taking a moment to admire and appreciate the world's little wonders. Well, I am living for the packaging. We get little... Alright, I gotta smell it. Okay, please don't pop off. Please don't pop. Please don't pop. I hate these things. I really, truly do. I bought a perfume diffuser. And I'm going to start using it because I have a lot of these that I need to get out the bottle and put them in a spritzer. Kind of smells old lady-ish. I couldn't really smell it that good, but it kind of smells old lady-ish. Like that Red Door. I hate that. By Elizabeth Arden. Yeesh. So my stepmom uses. Alright. Put that back over there. And then we got... now you see, I hate when they throw in these little samples of stuff. It really just takes away from what you're getting. So This box is kind of very bad. We got another dupe. I got this last month bag. This is the Purifying Black Charcoal Mask. I mean, I love getting sheet masks, and I can always give this in a giveaway, but it's kind of good to get new goodies. You know what I mean? Or things to try you've never tried. This does work fantastically, though, so that's kind of cool. So far, do I feel this box is worth $5? I don't know what this goes for, so I can't really say, but, I mean, whatever. Alright, and then the last 3 things in here, they're samples, real samples. And this is the Witch Hazel Ultra Deep Pore Strip Nose Strip by Biore. You get 1. Ooh, Mufasa. And then the last 2 is Just Add Water. This is an Olay Daily Facial Daily Hydrating Clean 5-in-1 Cleansing Power of a Makeup Remover. I feel like I got this in last month's box too. Where is that box? I don't know, but your girls got to clean our vlogging station today. For reals. So, I think I got this, though. I've not tried this, but I do want to try this. We'll try this and let you guys know. And then also we have the Nivea 48-Hour Soothing Moisturizer Soothing Lotion. I hate these, so I will never use that. I don't use those when they're lotions. I don't use them when they're toners. I don't use it. I just don't. Go buy the bottle. You know what I mean? Alright, so for $5, we got this Old Lady perfume. We got the brow pomade. We got the razor. We got the charcoal mask. Those are your main things, okay? That's 4 things right there. So, there you go. And then you also get these little samples. So, do I feel like it's worth $5? Cool. I think it's a fun little box. Honestly, I feel like if I had money, I would be making a subscription box with little samples of, like, everyone would get something different every month, but it would be like you would get a different blush, you would get a different mascara, you would get a different maybe, oh, definitely a lip gloss, you would get maybe a mini eyeshadow little palette and a brush, or you would get like, instead of a brush, you would get like tweezers. Like that's what I would do, and I would honestly do it for like $7-8. I wouldn't do it like 10 because there's so many $10 ones out there. I said there's really not. Ipsy I think is like the only one that's $10 with free shipping, so that's bomb. But also, you have Target. Sorry, guys. Sinuses are killing me. I found these 3 things in the bottom of the box. You did not get a makeup bag in this one, so I guess they're switching it up a little. It just has this is not coupons. Dahlia. I wonder if this is the singer. Baby, no one else could ever want you like I do. Hey, I remember that song. Tell me what you feel, 'cause I'm feeling something real. Yes. Sorry for my singing. My voice is cut from the sinuses. But this does look like her. Tell me if you remember her. She was hot in the 90s. And she was on like Now 10, Now 16. God, I think it's like all the way up to like Now 30 something now. But that's awesome. If that's her, she made her own perfume. It says it's fruity. Like I said, I couldn't really smell it, but oops, it says coconut in it and macaroons. Oh, I really need to smell that then, because I love me some coconut. But yep, that's everything that I got in my box. Again, it's $5, free shipping. I will leave the link in the description box below if you would like to add this on to your subscription bundle packages. I honestly love getting subscription services though. It's like Christmas every single week, month, day, whatever you get. I love it. Also guys, I have a Taste Test Tuesday coming up this Tuesday. You are not going to want to miss this. And update. The company from the Bronx, New York, sent me a full refund for the box they sent me. I would love to got another box of goodies, but it's fine. I got my money back on it, so I am happy about that because you guys see the struggle was real with that box, guys. The struggle was real. But as always, check out that giveaway. Don't forget, I'm announcing the winners at the end of this month. Get yourself a free Morphe palette. Why wouldn't you want to? Are you crazy? And as always, guys, have a wonderful weekend. Stay beautiful. Stay blessed. I'm Samantha Sweets. I love y'all. Bye.